Welcome to Aslam Spare Parts. We offer the fastest and most reliable electric vehicle charger repair services. Call us now for immediate assistance.
The future of driving is here. Clean, silent, and electric. You made the smart choice.
I love that I can just wake up and go. 100% charge every morning. It completely changes my commute. Don't let unexpected battery issues leave you stranded. Our new technology monitors your EV's health in real time, giving you total peace of mind.
Introducing the revolutionary new way to power your electric vehicle. It's faster, more reliable, and built to handle anything life throws at it.
Are you tired of the ridiculous cost of electric vehicle replacement parts? Dealers are charging way too much.
Electric vehicles are complex, but maintaining them doesn't have to be. We provide the specialized training traditional mechanics need.
Our certified technicians are trained in the latest EV technology, ensuring your vehicle receives the highest quality service available today.